Welcome to Humble Brain channel. Be ready to be inspired by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in English. How a paper boy became the 11th President of India. What made Dr. Kalam so special? We will see in this video. Watch till the end for the answer, and if you have a different answer in your mind, please let us know in the comment section. Dr. Awul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was his full name. He was born on 15th October 1931 in a poor family with 4 siblings at Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, India. As a boy, he sold newspapers to support his family. After finishing his high school in Ramanathapuram, he got his bachelor's degree in physics. He did his master's degree in aerospace engineering at MIT Madras. Then he became a scientist at DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, and later in ISRO, India's Space Research Organization. He raised himself to be the 11th President of India. Dr. Kalam was involved in satellite launching vehicles like SLV-3 and PSLV. It was a great success and he gained the trust of Indian national leaders, which made him play a major role in missile development like Agni, Prithvi, Akash and Trishul, after which he was commonly known as Missile Man. He served as the chief scientific advisor to the Prime Minister of India. Then, during his time as the Secretary of DRDO, Pokhara-2 nuclear tests were conducted. He also contributed to the development of low-cost healthcare devices. Was he contradicting? No, he had his reason. He made missiles and spoke about peace. He said, "Strength respects strength, so keep the missile and then talk peace." He was liked by everyone, from major political leaders to ordinary people. Dr. Kalam became the 11th President of India with great support from major political parties. His presidency period was from 2002 to 2007. He was the first president who was a scientist and a bachelor. Dr. Kalam traveled across India and analyzed about the dreams of people in all states. For his humility and approachability, he was celebrated as People's President. He received many awards, including Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor award. After his presidency, he became the visiting professor for various great institutions across India. In 2012, he founded What Can I Give Movement with the theme of defeating corruption. He passed away at his 83 years on 27th July 2015 while he was giving a lecture at IIM Shillong, India. Do you think he doesn't face any failure? He did. He failed in getting his dream job as a fighter pilot. Instead, he became a scientist. He failed in the development of first satellite launch vehicle. In Dr. Kalam's words, it is only when we are faced with failure do we realize that these resources were always there within us. We only need to find them and move on with our lives. Special traits of Dr. Abdul Kalam was his success secret. As a student, Dr. Kalam had a strong desire to learn more. He was a hard-working person with positive attitude. He was a simple man who was dedicated to his profession. He was very patriotic and loved interacting with children. Dr. Kalam encouraged students to dream. And yes, he redefined the meaning of dream. In his words, dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam inspired us with his life and his action, which made him very special, and thus he inspired others to dream.